I'm about to do the Tapatio challenge. I'm going to do 4 little spoons and then 1 big spoon. Okay. First one. Oh my god. Okay. Well, it's burning my throat. Nope. Oh, you got it. Okay. Second one. Oof. Oh god, am I dead? Third one. Let it go down. Okay. No water. Just off the view. Third one. Oh my god. One more. Big one. I thought it was not gonna be this bad. Hold on, my eyes are tearing up.
Can we just watch the video for 1 minute? Please.
Get out. I'm trying to.
Ah!
Alright, here's third one.
That was the last one. Now it's a big spoon.
About to do the big spoon. Woo. Then I'm over. Here we go. See all that? All that Mexican. One, two. Oh my god, my stomach's starting to hurt. Okay. 1, 2, 3. That's not that bad. Okay, there you go. I did the Tapatio challenge. Alright, bye.